Pace from Brett Lee. That's a sure one, it's hit him. Sconed him right in the grill. And there might even be a bit of blood, and there is. And, oh, gee, that's a nasty blow. Gee, that's ugly. That is really ugly, and hopefully the ball may have hit the grill to take a bit of that impact off.
That's done a bit of damage. It's gone through the grill. It's wedged in the grill. Woods are in trouble. Bleeding quite badly.
So he's probably got cut just over the eye. Just above the eye, probably in the eyebrow.
Third time round, he takes him on. And it's not a good sight. That was quick from Lasith Malinga, the quicker of the bouncers.
It's a nasty blow, and I think it got him in that gap between the eye and...
That's where the damage would be.
The lady is Tamara, who's the physiotherapist of Cricket Dundee, retired unfortunately for 31.
Oh dear, that's hit him in the face.
That's nasty. That is very, very nasty. Hey, Keegan Meth. He just never saw that ball come back at him, and this is very nasty. You don't need to see this at any time. That was a dreadful blow in the face. Came straight back at him. Was firmly struck. He just couldn't get his hands up in time. And that is an ugly injury. Blood everywhere. Unfortunately, sometimes this happens on a cricket field. That ball is rock high.
Yeah, pity. It went straight back at him. Yeah, looking for the Yorker and missing the length just a little bit. It's a full toss and struck firmly. Yeah, absolutely no time whatsoever. And straight away at him.
Tooth flies right out of his mouth there. So